Hello, Tesfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. This is Afan Oromo language with English. We have been going through different phrases that are useful in communicating in Afan Oromo. This is our 12th video, I think, and we have seen in last video, we have seen the WH questions in Afan Oromo. We have seen two so far, what and where. That means how we construct questions using what and where, the WH questions in English. Today we are going to see two of them again, why and who. How we ask why and who questions using Afan Oromo. As I said before, this is Oromo for communication purposes. So these phrases will help you to practice asking questions in Afan Oromo. There were lots of areas we were covering, including likes, dislikes, greetings, introducing oneself, directions, calendar, buying and selling, and so on. We have set our table of content at the beginning of this course. So this course is going to be around 25 to 30 videos, which covers lots of areas and help you to communicate, finally to communicate in Afan Oromo. So stay with me and I will go into the is why. Okay, why questions are one of the WH questions, very tough question actually. In pedagogics, for example, children can't ask why at the first, but that's only ask what and so on. But then when they grow up and when they are getting mature, they ask why question. This doesn't apply in this course though, because we are all mature. I think that we decided to learn Afan Oromo, so I didn't follow up the pedagogical orders. So why is one question. It means maalif. That's by itself sufficient to question, just like in communication you ask why. It's maalif. That's enough question for somebody to ask a question. But then we can ask lots of questions. Why did you call me? So this call can be a phone call or just a voice call. So the first one, maalif nawamte, is just why did you call me? It's not about phone call. But the second part is the phone call. Maalif na bilbilte. Maalif na bilbilte is why did you make me a phone call? Maalif na bilbilte. Bilbila is a phone. Maalif na bilbilte. Maalif nawamte. Why did you call me? I heard your voice calling me. Maalif nawamte. Maalif nawamte. Maalif na bilbilte. Why did you call me? That's both the same meaning in English. Why did you do this? Maalif kana goote. Maalif kana goote. Why did you do this? Maalif kana goote. Kana means this, goote means did. Why are you doing this? So that should have been are, not re. Why are you doing this? Maalif akkas goota. This is a present tense. Maalif akkas goota. Why are you doing this? Maalif akkas goota. Maalif akkas goota. Maalif akkas goota. Why did you say that? Maalif akkas jetta. Maalif akkas jette. It should have been jette. Maalif akkas jette, because it is did. Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that? Should be maalif akkas jetta. That's present tense. The English translation of why did you say that should have been maalif akkas jette. Past tense. Maalif akkas jette. Okay, I hope you understand those. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Maaliif aarte? Maaliif aarte? Maaliif aarte? Why do they fight? Maaliif wal loluu? Maaliif wal loluu? Maaliif wal loluu? So look at the structure. I think it follows exact the same English structure. Maaliif at the beginning, and in Oromo, why, and at the beginning in English, why. So let's ask you one question on this. Maaliif biyya deemte? What does this means? Maaliif biyya deemte? How can we structure this as a question? Why did you go home country? When did you come? What did you see? Which one is the answer? Just write your letter of choice. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Why? That is who is another WH questions. Who? Eenyu. Who means eenyu. Who is your father? Abbaan kee eenyudha? Abbaan kee eenyudha? Abbaan kee eenyu. We can avoid da. Say abbaan kee eenyu. That's enough. Abbaan kee eenyu. Abbaan kee eenyudha. We can say like that. Or we can avoid one a here. Abbaan kee eenyudha. We can say like that as well. Multiple ways of asking the same question. Abbaan kee eenyu. Abbaan kee eenyu. Abbaan kee eenyudha. Abbaan kee eenyudha. 4 ways. Okay. Next. Who is this? Kun eenyudha. Kun eenyudha. We can ask different question as well here. Kun eenyu. Just up to this point. Kun eenyu. Or we can add you to make it longer. Kun eenyu. Question mark. Kun eenyu. Or we can ask kun eenyudha by avoiding one a. Kun eenyudha. Or just like as it is. Kun eenyudha. All the same question, but it is at different communication tone and circumstances, but it asks the same questions. Who is that? That, sun. Kun is this, sun is that. Sun eenyu. Sun eenyu. We can again make the same questions like before. We can avoid one you from here. Kun sun eenyu. Sun eenyu. Sun eenyu. Sun eenyudha. Sun eenyudha. 4 type of question can be asked based on the circumstances, but the question is still the same. Who is she called? Who is she called? Isheen kun eenyu jedhamti. Isheen kun eenyu jedhamti. We can avoid kun. Isheen eenyu jedhamti. Isheen eenyu jedhamti. We can very much shorten isheen eenyu. Just like this one. Isheen eenyu. With this short also, isheen eenyu. We can ask like that. Okay, all possible for the same question. Who are you? Who are you? Ati eenyudha. One question. Ati eenyudha. Taking one a out. Ati eenyudha. Avoiding the whole da. Ati eenyu. Question mark. Ati eenyu, after adding one U on eenyu. Ati eenyu, ati eenyu, ati eenyu, ati eenyudha, ati eenyudha. All that's possible. Okay, next question. Eenyu fi eenyu. Eenyu fi eenyu. Who and who. Eenyu fi eenyu. Eenyu fi eenyu. Eenyu fi eenyu. Who and who. Who am I? Who are you? Ani eenyu, ati eenyu. Who am I? Who are you? Ani eenyu, ati eenyu. Ani eenyu, ati eenyu. The last question. You boy, who are your family? When we translate it into Oromo, it will be Gurbaa maatiin kee eenyudha. Gurbaa maatiin kee eenyudha. Intaloo maatiin kee eessa jiru? Intaloo maatiin kee eessa jiru? Gurbaa maatiin kee meerree? Which one is the answer? The correct translation. If you have questions, please ask, write your question, and I will write the correct answer translation. If you want, I can translate for you short questions, especially WH questions here. You can ask a lot of questions. What that means, for example, write your question in English, what that means in Oromo. I will translate that for you, and you are ready to go and learn. Thank you very much for being with me. We're going to end this video here, and I will see you on the next lesson. Bye for now. Bye-bye.